Venus.
Mercury and Venus. Okay. Sparrow and
Deer.
Hook. Okay.
Owl may fly.
Owl and dragonfly.
Yep, a raccoon.
Squirrel and raccoon. Good job.
Chicken, a seahorse.
Chicken and horse.
Hey.
This one is a snake and woodpecker. Galing. This is a starfish and seahorse. Good job. Next. Seahorse. Okay. And seahorse and starfish. Okay.
Octopus.
Whale and jellyfish. Okay. Next.
Fish and dolphin.
Fish and dolphin. Good job. Galing ah.
Octopus.
Shark and octopus. Crab and turtle. Good job. Elephant and fish. Ano ba yung nakamot mo dyan? At alagyan ko ng lotion later. Sige na. Bunny and bird. This is a frog and mouse. Squink, squink, squink. Oh, this one is it. Oh, what animal is this? Isai? This is a cat and meow.